Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest video notification.
I am showing you how many trials and errors I have done to understand the mechanism behind it.
Take 2 by 3 inch wide cardstock and score it half inch vertically and horizontally as shown in the video. Leaving half inch, I am marking 1.5 inch from the scoring line and making a square. Now draw both the diagonals of the square as shown in the video. From center I am drawing a horizontal line. Now cut this sewn part in the video. So up till now what we have done, marks half inch score line horizontally and vertically, then mark 1.5 inch and make the squares and diagonals and cut this part. Now score the remaining diagonal and cut the edges of the flaps and fold it as shown. Take a 3/4 inch wide strip, score it at half inch, 1 inch, 2.14 inch and 2.34 inch. When you fold all scoring lines, it will create a rectangular loop which is 1.14 inch wide and half inch height. Take 2 by 3 inch cardstock, score it half inch both the sides and 3 by 8 inch here, 3 by 8 inch both the sides. So here the center part is 1.14 inch wide. Here I am scoring the lines which will create a 3/4 inch wide flap in the center. Here I am cutting the extra part so that it will create the 3/4 inch flap in the center. Now fold this 3/4 inch flap on one side and other flaps on back side. There is a height difference of these two shown parts. One is 1/2 inch, the left one is 1/2 inch and the right one is 3/8 inch. Stick this part shown to the 1/2 inch height of rectangular loop. So there will be a gap of 1/8 inch in the back side of the rectangular loop. Same way we will attach the second flap to the rectangular loop.
Front height is 3/8 inch, and there is little 1/8 inch gap on back side which will make the mechanism to work. Stick 1/2 inch flap and close the rectangular loop. Here I'm showing you how the whole mechanism works.
After fixing the place where I want to stick the main mechanism, I will cut the extra length of the strip. Here we are making a flap. This flap is little smaller than the height of where it needs to be stick. Means there will be a gap between the base and the flap. Making a slit so that stripped flap will be passed through it and we will stick on the back side of this base. we will make a red heart. Here we need to make a stand for the heart so that it won't move with the mechanism. So we are taking strips and scoring at half inch and folding to make M. That will be the base of the stand. So here you can see anything on the stand won't move along with the mechanism. It will be steady. Before sticking the heart, we will stick the arrow on the edge of rectangular loop. By placing the heart, we will assume the line of the arrow and mark the point on heart where we need to cut to pass the arrow. After cutting a slit on a heart, we need to pass arrow through it and stick the heart on the stand. While sticking the heart, we need to take care of two things. When card is open, the heart arrow should be longer on upper side and shorter on lower side.